Hey folks, I wanted to share my experience with Gen AI University. It's been quite the adventure. When I started, I was hopeful but kind of navigating in the dark, not knowing where to start and how to implement. But now I feel way more prepared and on track. The AI Business Mastery Workshop was a real eye opener for me, breaking down things without making it feel like rocket science. And the micro course content creation workshop, super relevant, especially in this age of short attention spans. Now, let me tell you about Darby's most recent $100 million AI business growth workflow workshop. It's a complete game changer. He lays out a full start to finish workflow for a product or service that's got my mind spinning with ideas. Using what I learned, I've already created two products that were first created when I did the AI Business Mastery Workshop. And the community vibe at Gen AI, it's something else. It's great. It's like being part of this awesome club with a group of buddies who are all into the same stuff, sharing tips and cheering each other on. So if you're on the fence about joining, here's my 2 cents. Give it a shot. With Darby leading the charge and the resources at Gen AI, I genuinely feel like I'm ahead of the game with my business.